Every day, thousands of technical training classes are delivered by experienced instructors across the country. Yet, when the class is over, many students struggle to explain what they just learned. Some remember only a few isolated facts. Some leave confused. Some cannot confidently perform the task they were trained to do. The question is, why do so many training classes fail to produce lasting learning? Is it because instructors lack experience? Sometimes, is it because students do not want to learn? Occasionally, but more often than not, the real problem receives very little attention. The training itself was not engineered for learning. Many programs are built around information instead of understanding, crowded slides, tiny images, disconnected graphics, and few meaningful animations. There is no clear learning pathway, little reinforcement, minimal review. Concepts are introduced without first building the mental model students need to understand how everything connects. The instructor may be excellent, the students may be eager to learn. But when the training material works against the learning process, everyone loses. Students become overwhelmed, knowledge fades quickly, and confidence never develops. Companies invest thousands of dollars in training that produces only a fraction of its potential. At Partner & Partner LLC, we asked a different question. What if training were designed around the way people actually learn? That question led us to develop the Structured Visual Learning System, SVLS. SVLS is more than a collection of videos, presentations, or graphics. It is a complete educational engineering methodology because we believe one simple truth. We do not engineer training. We engineer understanding. Every SVLS knowledge package is tailored using your technical information, your equipment, procedures, standards, terminology, learning objectives, and operational goals. The result is specialized training engineered specifically for your organization. This is not generic training modified to look like yours. It is your technical knowledge transformed through educational engineering trademark into a complete learning system designed for your people, your operation, and your goals. Each knowledge package rests upon the SVLS Learning Foundation, carefully engineered learning principles that guide every educational and creative decision. Each principle exists to make learning easier to teach, understand, remember, and apply. Instead of overwhelming learners, we intentionally construct understanding. We reduce unnecessary cognitive load, organize knowledge into logical visual sequences, guide attention toward what matters, and transform isolated facts into meaningful relationships. Complex technical concepts become visual experiences that are easier to follow, remember, and use in the real world. Instructors teach with greater clarity, students learn with greater confidence, and organizations develop a workforce that understands, not just memorizes. The SVLS process begins with your organization. You provide the technical foundation, manuals, procedures, standards, drawings, photographs, videos, presentations, and the knowledge of your subject matter experts. SVLS organizes and analyzes that information, identifies the required learning perspectives, and transforms your technical knowledge into a structured visual experience designed around your objectives. An SVLS knowledge package is not limited to a single video or presentation. It is a complete learning ecosystem in which every deliverable has a defined audience, a specific purpose, and a distinct role. The knowledge brief gives managers and decision makers visibility into the objectives, technical scope, and educational strategy. The scientific plate then transforms complex concepts into clean visual explanations that connect the instructor's knowledge with the student's understanding. The visual journey transforms technical procedures and scientific concepts into carefully structured cinematic stories. Students can see what is happening, understand why it is happening, and remember how the pieces connect. The instructor presentation provides a professionally designed teaching sequence, strong visual support, and speaker guidance, allowing instructors to focus on explaining, guiding, and interacting instead of spending valuable time creating slides. The Field Reference Guide reinforces learning after class by helping technicians refresh procedures, relationships, and safety information. Learning capsules keep knowledge active through periodic review. The assessment pack measures recall, conceptual understanding, and application. The Instructor Answer Guide supports consistent evaluation, while the Question Bank strengthens refresher training and future development. Every component is delivered as a reusable digital asset that can support classroom instruction, learning management systems, internal websites, facility television systems, QR code learning stations, refresher programs, and future employee training. Learning doesn't end when class is over. SVLS audio lessons transform everyday moments into opportunities to reinforce understanding and keep technical knowledge alive. The class may end. The learning does not have to. Managers gain visibility, instructors gain confidence, students gain understanding, and technicians receive continued support. Training departments gain tools for reinforcement and evaluation. Organizations gain specialized training they can reuse, distribute, expand, and build upon for years. Together, the deliverables become a complete educational system. If your organization has technical knowledge that needs to be taught more clearly, remembered longer, and applied with greater confidence, let us create understanding together. Your technical information, your operational reality, our educational engineering trademark.